The question is, how are XiO3 and XiOF4 prepared? This is the question from group 18 and from the chapter P block. The answer is, when we do hydrolysis of XiF4 and XiF6 with water, we get XiO. There is a slight error, so F will not be here. So during the hydrolysis and after the hydrolysis of XiF4 and XiF6 with water, we get XiO3. Okay, XiO3. And so this is a reaction when XeF4 is hydrolyzed. So we get Xe, XeO3, HF, and O2. And when we hydrolyze XeF6, we get XeO3 and HF. So uh, as the statement states, we get XeO3 when we hydrolyze XeF4 and XeF6. Moving on, how is XeOF4 prepared? So when we partially hydrolyze XeF6, we get XeOF4. So XeF6, this is partial hydrolysis, okay? So the complete hydrolysis requires 3 molecules of H2, 3 moles of H2 for 1 mole of XeF6. But during partial hydrolysis, we only take 1 mole of H2, okay? We get XeOF4.